What's up guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a rechargeable lamp. Oh, by the way, this is Damn Dog Creativity, a channel where you can learn awesome and incredible ideas on how to make DIY stuffs at home. So if you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that red subscribe button down there and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified for more interesting and outstanding videos. So the plan as of 30 seconds ago is to make a rechargeable lamp which you can use to charge your mobile phone. I know that sounds pretty confusing because it's basically a lamp which can charge your phone and be used as a lamp at the same time. Or you've even probably seen it in the beginning of the video. So let's get it on. So that was it, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and if you really enjoyed, you know the drill. Leave a like and comment down below saying anything you want. Just let me know down there. Let me know you're alive. So this was a little lamp that I make. I think it's pretty impressive. It's charging my phone and it's on at the same time. So if you want to see more of my videos, I'll leave a link in the description box below, and I'll leave a link in the end of the video, so you can click it and go and watch more of my videos. So I got a lot of cool contents coming for you soon. So if you want to see this, just subscribe and turn on notifications to stick around. So I'll catch you guys up next week. Peace out.